Hello everyone, I am Siddharth. In this video, I will show you how can you showcase your artwork using your mobile phone. So in this video, I will showcase my artwork on a wall. So we need to download a wall photo. So we can download a wall photo from any website or from Google Images, but it is good practice to download copyright free images. So I will use pixabay.com. I have given link in the description. So go to pixabay.com, search wall, then here some wall photos. I will use this photo, download this. So in this video I will use PicsArt app. So open PicsArt, create a new project, edit photo, then select your downloaded photo. Okay, then after uploading your photo in PicsArt, crop this photo in square size. Then add your artwork using this option. Add your artwork. So this is my artwork. Add this, resize this photo accordingly. First I will apply some frame on it. So I will use this border option. This, open this. Okay, so we have to adjust the border, like I can change the border size. So I will keep the outer border at 5 unit and inner border at 2 units and radius at 5 units. You should also keep this same configuration because this is a good configuration. You can also invert your colors, but I like the black and white combination. So after applying border, our image look like this, but this is not that result that we want, because we need to add some shadow so that it look like a real image. So go to the shadow option. So this is the shadow option. Go to that option. So now as you can see, we have the shadow, but this shadow is very far from that image. So go to the position option. Now you can adjust the position of the shadow. So keep the horizontal axis around 105 and also vertical axis around 105. Okay, so the position should be around 105 and 110. So this is a good position. Now go to on adjust. Now go to on adjust section. Now slightly, so keep the opacity around 70% and the blur around 60%. So after applying border, our image look like this. So this is how you can showcase your artwork. So you can insert any photo and any number of photos on any background, and you do not need any third party app or like this. And If you want to use a app, then there are also some apps, but those apps are not good to do such work because they have lots of advertise and we cannot customize images in that apps. So this is the good option that you can use. And thank you for watching. And if you want to use your computer to do such work, then I have also a dedicated video on that, so please check that.